Hello everyone. The next topic on the design thinking methodology subject is the convergent thinking. So let us see what is meant by convergence. So convergence is nothing but it's a group of ideas that can be put together, and based on the ideas, the ranking or the rating can be given for it. So this step, the convergence step in the design thinking process that aims to create affinity clusters from ideas, and that also connect all the ideas and come out with the most potential idea that will solve the problems for the particular issues. So, as the name denotes, this idea is to make choices, thus deleting roughly 80% of the ideas that come up during the divergence stage. So, once a final idea is arrived, then based on the or depending on the nature of the solutions, it could be prototyped and tested with the right audience set. So, what's the purpose of this design thinking? Convergence process in the design thinking. So, especially this is the fourth step in a five-step design thinking process, and this step is mainly suggests that is focused on the converging to one central idea. We may have multiple ideas, but this convergence is try to concentrate to the one central idea that is the most potential in offering a solution to the identified problem. So what are the guidelines we need to follow it? So it's not the individual work, it's a team effort. So the ideas of group are not of the individuals. So connect all the similar ideas and you can try to vote it by using the 10 grams or 100 grams or 1000 grams. So we'll come to know about why 100,000 or 100 grams are given for your particular problems, which is coming out of the users or which is being collected from the users in the later stages. And then connecting the multiple ideas moves from idea to the solutions then selected solution that can be prototyped. If the solution does not give you a wow feeling, which means it's a successful one, then you can again go back to the step 2 and step 3 and you can repeat the process. So here the tool 10 grams, 100 grams and 1000 grams, especially it is all given. It is a unique potential tool which is used in the convergence phase of the design thinking process and which is used on the fourth step of the design thinking one. So the purpose of giving this 10 grams, 100 grams and 1000 grams is that instead of giving the ranking of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in such a type of scaling, we know it is very difficult for us to identify that rating between the number 6 and number 7 and number 8 and number 9. We'll find that there's a small deviation is there. So instead of giving the linear scaling, we never find the changes in the linear scaling. So that's the reason we started to give 10 grams, 100 grams and 1000 grams. If particular user is suggesting some solution, that solution may be the most valuable one. So that particular user may give the 1000 grams. So the same problem or the same solution for a particular problem, what the user one has given will be become a least solution to the another user's point of view. So the other user may give the 100 grams. So you look at the differences between the user one who gave 1000 grams weightage and the user two gave 100 grams weightage. We can find the differences between them. That's the reason in the design thinking process, instead of giving the linear scaling, we started giving 10 grams, 100 grams and 1000 grams. Now, let us find or let us use one small example. Here, there is a small issue that has been taken for an example, that solving parking issue in a campus. So let us brainstorm all the ideas and let us put it in our A3 chart paper, or we can write it in board by providing that rating or by providing that weightage for the particular solution for this parking issues. Okay. Now let us see. So on that on the y-axis, it's all given multiple ideas that has come out from the different members side. So let us take in member 1, member 2, member 3, member 4, and number 5. These are the 5 members which are which is being formed as a team. So there are 5 members in a team. So every member comes out with a different ideas. So all the common ideas are put together on this table. For example, let us take that the solution to the parking issue is given as allocate more land within the campus. For this, the member 1 has given just 10 grams when member 2 has given 100 grams, and member 3 has given 10 grams when member 4 has given 100 grams again, and member 5 has given 1000 grams. So the member 5 has given most important to this allocate more number of land within your campus, right? So there is a good solution. So member 5 has given more weightage than the member 1 and member 3. Similarly, you look at the multi-level parking system. So here we don't need to extend the places. We can have the same accommodated space, but we can have that multi-level spacing from floor 1 to floor 3, floor 4, floor 5. But here the member 4 has given the highest rate of 1000 grams, comparing to member 3 and member 5. Similarly, underground parking, we can implement it. The underground parking, the member 1, member 2, and member 4 has given high weightage for it. When no vehicle within a campus, of course, that is not at all possible. But here that is also that suggestion has came out, because the best part of this design thinking techno methodology is that we no need to avoid any kind of negative solutions or the positive solution. All the solution will put it together and will provide a rating for it, will provide a weightage for it. From that we find the best solution for the particular issue. So no vehicles within the campus. Of course, the member 2 and member 3 has given more weightage. Of course, we can avoid traffic within the campus, so that's okay. Only shuttles that can be used within the campus. That's a very good, but nobody has given the highest priority for it. Most of the members has given the least priority, 10 grams and the 100 grams alone. And the bringing a vehicle, loss of pay for that particular day. So one day can be allotted as a no vehicle day in a campus, but during that particular day, if any person, any teachers or any students has brought their vehicle to the campus, they may be provide a loss of pay from their salary, or the students may be fined for that case. So this may be the one of the option given as a highest priority by the member 1, and member 2, 3, 4 does not feel that is the good solution for the particular problem, and member 5 has given 100 grams weightage. So parking, paid parking model may be adopted. Okay, the students or the faculties who comes to that campus, they may be given at paid charge for parking their vehicles. So member 1 is given. So likewise, what do? You start to find out the number of solution. You start to list it out. Ask every member in your team. Try to put in weightage for it. 100 grams, 10 grams, 100 grams, and 1000 grams. Finally, what you have to do? You have to do at total it. So totaling for this, you look at it. Allocate more land within the campus. Here, 1220 points has come. And here multi-level parking, again the same. But underground parking has given the highest priority, that 3020 grams that has come. So this may be given the top weightage, more priority for it. So for this parking solution problem, this underground parking may be the one of the best solutions. This all the 5 members may feel that will be a good.